Hey everyone, 5 signals every paddler should know. Let's do it. Out here on the Whitewater, it's noisy. Knowing your visual signals is the best way to communicate. It can save you from some serious consequences on the river. As you can see, it's not always easy to communicate. It's important to talk amongst your group about the signals you're going to use before a trip. Some of them are easy to mistake for another. This could be deadly on a river. I hope you found this information useful. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoy this content. Thanks everyone.